All right, we are now on to our third and final page of this graphing review. Write the equation of the line in this graph. So we need an M and a B. So B is the y-intercept. That's right here at y equals -2. So the B, the y-intercept, is -2. M, this line from left to right, is falling. M is a negative number. Okay, now the rise. It rises 1 for a run of 3. Okay, so y equals mx plus b, and that's -2. Okay, what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept is here, 11, because if I put in a 0 for x, I would get y equals 11. What's the x-intercept? When y is 0, we get the x-intercept. I'm going to move that 11 over. 11 equals -3x. And divide. And that actually should become a -11. My apologies there. So I move that positive 11 over. It becomes a -11. When I divide, I get -11 over -3, which is 11/3. What's the y-intercept? It's 7. The x-intercept, 0 equals 2x plus 7. Move that 7 to the other side. It's positive here. It becomes negative on the other side. -7 equals 2x. And divide, and I will get -7/2. Okay? Graph. Y-intercept of 3. A slope of 6. Up 6 over 1. That's going to be hard to graph. If it only goes up like 1 or 2 over, I'll graph that. I'll just make a couple lines. But this goes 4 over. That's going to be a little bit excessive. So instead of going up and right, I will go down 6 and left 1. Down and left, that's the 2 negatives, which makes a positive. So I'm just going to do my best to sketch this. Could use a straight edge if we really want to get it nice and neat. This will do for the purposes that we're dealing with here. If we needed some really precise points, we would definitely use a straight edge. And our last problem on this graphing review, find the equation of the line containing these points. So I need the slope. 5 minus 35. Y minus y. X minus x, -3 minus 12. Okay, so I get -30 over -15, which is 2. So my slope is 2. Y minus y1. I'll use this point here as my x1, y1. So y minus y1 is y minus 5. M is 2. X minus x1 is x minus -3. So there it is in point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So that's our point slope form. Now we're going to change that to slope intercept. So I'm going to distribute that 2. Y minus 5 equals 2x, and then minus negative is positive. 2 times 3 is 6. I will add that 5. So I get y equals 2x plus, and then 6 plus 5 is 11.